Right. Now, I mentioned lunchtime. Yes? Lunchtime for me is, well, in England it can be from, in the schools, they have it 12:30 to 1 o'clock. In workplaces it's 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. If it's a staggered workforce where part of the work people go at 1 o'clock, then the other part go at 2 o'clock. So you can have that as well. So in general, it can be anywhere between 12:30 and 3 o'clock. In Spain, it's usually between like 1 o'clock and to 4 o'clock. Mm? Okay, well, that's because of it's too hot during the day to work, so they extend their working hours longer, so they can finish at 8 o'clock at night. Yeah, in some places 10 o'clock at night. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about me as a child. Yeah, me as a child, I would be in kindergarten, 2 years. Then there was the juniors, another 2 years, and then the primary school. I think that was 4 years, up to the age of 11 years old. Yeah. In that time, I had breakfast with my parents. Then I'd go to school. 12:30, I would have not lunch, no, dinner. I would have dinner, which was lunch. But the women that were giving the food to all the children, they were called dinner ladies, and that's what we had. We had dinner. Then we go home and have the meal with the parents. That was called supper. Yeah? Right. Afterwards, 11 years old, you go to secondary school, and up to the age of 16, you're in the first to the 5th years. Yeah. Then you would choose to go on to you would choose to stay in the school and go on to the sixth form. The sixth form was 2 years, so you'd have the lower six and the upper six. Or you would choose to stay part-time and then go on to a college of further education, depending on whether you wanted to get academic qualifications or technical qualifications. Me, I went into engineering first, so I wanted technical qualifications. So I went on to a college of further education, did 3 years in that, and then I went on to Polytechnic. Yeah, Polytechnic is a university, but for technical things. Yeah, with the academic things, and the theory and all that, you would go on to university. That's the difference of those. Now, yes, from the age of 11 until now, my lunch is lunch, and my dinner is what used to be known as supper. Yeah, so the dinner is the afternoon thing. The late afternoon or in night time. Yes, that's dinner. You also have afternoon tea. That's at around 4 o'clock. Yeah, you'd have a morning break where you'd have a tea break. That would be around 10:30. This is the normal times in the workplace. Okay, so breakfast, tea break, lunch, tea break, afternoon tea break, then dinner. Yeah, you might have snacks in the middle of all that, and that's just whenever you want. Okay, cheers. Okay, you saw the others, but you haven't seen this one, but Christmas Days? Well, I suggest you go and have a look at it now. Go on, see what Boxing Day is.